Okay, so I wanted to talk really quick about how I deal with guinea pig cage liners when the guinea pigs are inside our house. And as I may have mentioned before, we have our compost pile that's in the corner of our chicken coop. The chickens like to go through it, and eventually all this stuff will get covered up. I'm hoping that they might want to eat some of these, but everything's frozen right now. So guinea pig poop and hay goes in here once it's dirty. And it's a lot easier when excuse those little stinkers. It's a lot easier when they're out in the outdoor cage. But right now they're indoors because it's really cold out. So I'm going to show you what I do. I have a big plastic bin. I got this from IKEA, and it was pretty cheap. You can get them at Walmart, Target, wherever you like to shop. They're not expensive. So I put all of my dirty bedding and from the litter box, and I put all my liners in here so that I won't drag hay and guinea pig poop through my house. I put the new liners in their cage, of course, and then what I do is I shake them out first over the compost pile, and then I go ahead and hang them on my fence. And when I do that, I just bring my little brush out and I can brush them off. You can use a broom, whatever, get something cheap. Actually, this is a little bit more expensive, but it lasted better than the last set I bought. So the other one, my handle broke off, so I figured I'd get something with a good handle. So don't go too cheap when you buy these, but I can just brush off most of the hay and anything else like poop here, and it makes it a lot easier for me to get this all done. So once I'm done this, I can finish brushing, put them back in this bin, bring them inside, throw them in the wash, and I wash my liners hot with detergent, of course, heavy load, and then I dry them in the dryer. And if you do a good job brushing these out and don't have a lot of hay or poop on them, you shouldn't have hay or poop in your washing machine. However, there have been times that I did not do a good job and I had to pick it out. So the washing machine's not going to make the hay disappear. These are some of the harder items that I've used for cloth, or in terms of like replacing a lot of disposable stuff with reusables. I think the guinea pig cage liners are the hardest because I hate trying to get hay out. But we have animals and we have my clothes that have hay on them, so it's not like hay doesn't get into our washing machine occasionally anyways. I just try to do a really good job of cleaning these off so that I don't have to do as much work. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll let the dryer or the washing machine dry after I move these to the dryer. Let it dry, vacuum out the stuff, any extra hay. Poop doesn't usually go through. It's pretty easy to wipe the poop off. The hay is the stuff that's really hard to get off sometimes. I will vacuum it all out. It's great if you have like a little hand vac. And then I will run a hot cycle wash on my machine. We have very hot water that comes out, and that should do a good job. You can use washing machine cleaner. Usually I wash these once a week, and I try to do them at the end of all of our other wash loads, and then I run a clean cycle on my washing machine so that I'm sanitizing the washing machine. Not because I'm particularly scared of what the guinea pigs could pass on, but because I think it's a good habit to get into, washing your machine. There's stuff in there. Regardless of whether you use cloth or not, you've got a lot of germs and stuff, so it's a good idea to wash them. So that's my process. Again, I'm going to pull these back inside. Once I put these in the washing machines right when we get inside the house, which is nice. Once I put these in the wash, I'm going to come back out with this, get the guinea pig some hay in that, bring that down to her. And again, this is to prevent hay from getting all over my floor in my house. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much. Please subscribe and check out my blog on DIYDanielle.com. Have a great day.